Hi everyone, this is Professor Mukhtar Abbasi here. The idioms I have selected for you today are to eat one's heart out, to feel something in one's bone, to get something off one's chest, a country cousin, a curtain lecture or curtain lecture. Idioms are very important to language learning and they are great beauty to it. So let's learn each idiom and how they are used in day-to-day language. The first idiom is to eat one's heart out for someone. That means to long for someone who is inattentive. Means you are very much attracted to some person, you really like them, but they are not paying heed to you. So that is actually to eat one's heart out. The second meaning of this idiom is to feel overwhelming sorrow, jealousy, or grief. The third meaning of this idiom, or in third sense it is also used, mostly it is playful or boastful way, means to tell someone to be envious of your success. Let's understand this idiom in sentences. The first sentence is when you feel sorrowful or you are grieved. She is still eating her heart out over the lost opportunity. Second idiom is that is in the sense of jealousy, but in playful manner, not being serious. I've just got a promotion, a raise, and a new car. Eat your heart out, friend. The third sentence is when you are longing for, that is means you are earnestly wishing something for. Like he stood on the beach, eating his heart out over the perfect way he couldn't catch. Means he wanted to surf, he missed the perfect wave, and now he was eating his heart out. The next idiom is to feel something in one's bone. That means to have an intuition, a hunch, or a strong conviction that something is true or is going to happen, even without any concrete proof or logical explanation. Mostly the word locally people use here is sixth sense, that my sixth sense says that this is going to happen. So that is actually to feel something in one's bones. Let us learn the idiom in sentences. I can't explain it, but I feel in my bones that she is going to get the promotion. Second sentence is, even before the official announcement, he felt in his bones that the company was planning layoffs. You may think I'm crazy, but I just feel in my bones that a major change is about to happen. The next idiom is to get something off one's chest. Means to relieve one's mind by confessing or talking about something that has been worrying, bothering, or making one feel guilty for a long time. The idiom contains an indefinite pronoun one, but in possessive case. We use one when we do not refer to any one particular person. And when we will be using this idiom in the sentence, we will replace one with a possessive case of noun or possessive case of pronoun. Let's learn it in the sentences. I've been feeling so guilty about that lie for weeks. I need to call my sister and get it off my chest. You can see that I have used my in place of once. That is possessive adjective. You look like something is troubling you. Is there something you need to get off your chest? Means it looks that something is bothering you. So there's something at the back of your mind. So if there's something, get off your chest. Get it off your chest. If something is bothering you, you will feel much better as soon as you get it off your chest. So sometimes we are worried, or we are in tension, or we feel guilty, and this sense continues as long as we get it off our chest. A country cousin. The word country is also used for a state, but it is also used for outskirts of town or village side. So a country cousin here means a person from the countryside, means village side, visiting or living in a town or city, often being simple, unsophisticated, or unfamiliar with city ways and manners. And people sometimes also mock them. Like when Susan visited London for the first time, she felt like a country cousin among all the fashionable city people. Means all the people in the city were fashionable, and she was still adopting the ways of country life. So she was looking awkward over there, or feeling like a country cousin. He may look a country cousin, but he is very smart and well educated. Means from his appearance it looks like he's a villager or from a village side, not well dressed, but are from appearance not very bright, but in fact he is well educated and very smart. The third idiom is, it is not always, or the third sentence is, it's not always easy for townies to blend in with their country cousins. So mostly it has been observed that the people living in cities, they cannot mix up with country cousins, means the people who have the background of village. The next idiom, or the last idiom of the day, is curtain lecture or a curtain lecture. It is a private scolding or reproach given by a wife to her husband. Or the other sense of this idiom is a long nagging talk or lecture given in private, that is especially between a married couple. So sometimes there are certain things the husband and wife do not discuss, or they do not scold each other before other people. Then in that case they give each other curtain lecture. Let's learn this idiom in sentences. The sentence number one is, after coming home late again, Mr. Ali had to listen to a long curtain lecture from his wife. He had to listen to the curtain lecture because he had been late. He feared another curtain lecture for forgetting their anniversary. So he forgot that it was their anniversary. So then he was pretty sure that he was going to have a curtain lecture. The third idiom is, every time he spends too much money, he knows a curtain lecture is waiting for him. So at the back of his mind, he knows that he has done something wrong and he is going to be scolded by his spouse. I hope you enjoyed this session, and if you really enjoyed it, please like and subscribe my channel. If you have any questions, please ask in the comment section. Until my next lecture, bye bye.